Hello everyone. It's Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and I'm here today to do a little cash stuffing. So, funny story, we had a snow day on Friday, and I actually ended up leaving my wallet at work. So, I don't have a wallet to stuff things into, and usually I unstuff my wallet and see what's left, and then I can use it for other savings throughout the week. I'm not doing that today, obviously, because I don't have my wallet, but I will still pull money for stuffing my wallet, and I'll just set it aside. I wanted to give y'all an update on my no spend for this month to mostly keep myself accountable. So I have this little binder here, or planner here. It's for budgeting. And so every day that is a no spend day for me, I add a little sticker. And so you can see for this week and this week, I've had one day where I ended up spending money. And this was so stupid, guys. I was looking for other resources for like creating budgeting items. And I found this one, and it was like a subscription that you pay and you get to download like any resource that you want. And so I was like, yes, this is awesome. Clicked on it to subscribe, and it charged me for the whole year, and it was $198, guys. So there's that. But I used to it's really embarrassing to like admit this to y'all, but this is why I'm doing this, because I used to do stuff like that all the time, where I would just spend insane amounts of money for anything I wanted. And since cash budgeting, and since becoming a single mom, I've had to really change, but it's taken time. So it's not an overnight thing, and I'm still working on it, but I am proud of several of these days being no spend so far, and hopefully we can get through the rest of this month. The other thing that is stressing me out, y'all can see with my little page here, I reworked this so many times trying to figure out what I should budget for this week, what I can do, because with the teacher monthly salary, we got paid before Christmas break, which was December 20th, I think. And before that, I got paid before Thanksgiving break. So it's kind of derailed my budget. And you can see here my payday is on the 24th. And so right now, currently in the bank, I have $811. And I have to make it through this week and basically all of next week. And I usually budget, like I usually pull out like 400 or so to cash budget with, like stuff my wallet and do my savings challenges and stuff like that, and my high priority stuff. But it freaks me out to not have a good buffer in there, because there are times where there's just things that come up, and you can see I have my bills written here, but sometimes things just come up, or if I go to the doctor and I need to use my card and stuff like that. So it scares me to not have a good buffer in there. So I really am trying to, to limit the amount that I'm pulling out this week and next. And then we'll hopefully get back on track to like a more normal routine. So that's that. I also wanted to share with you guys, I'm going to keep track and start noting any extra income that I make throughout the week. So last time I did my cash unstuffing and stuffing was on the 4th, and I saved 72 from my wallet, really 82 if you count Aria's stuff, and I put those towards my savings for that week. So that is already done. And then after that, I made $14 from a Facebook sale and $30 from tutoring on Monday. And then I made $47 from door dashing on Tuesday. So we have like $90 that I made this past week. So that was very exciting, and that will definitely help as I'm kind of struggling to make it through this month. So yeah, just wanted to share, and again, like keep myself accountable with y'all and show y'all that I'm really trying to hustle to, save money, make money. All right, so let's go through what I'll be stuffing into my wallet for this week. So groceries is going to get 50. And last week I went down from 80 to 60. This week I'm doing 50 because I have a bit of food left in my freezer and my pantry, and I don't have my daughter this coming weekend, so I figure I can survive on this amount and maybe even have some left over. Dining out is getting 25. Last week this got actually let me do a 20 to 5. Last week this got 35, and I ended up not using it a lot. A lot of it is because I'm trying to do a no spend week, and anything that I have budgeted in my wallet doesn't count as like cheating on no spend because I've budgeted for it. But I also really like having leftover money in my wallet to put towards savings. So that's motivating to me. And also I'm on a like weight loss journey. So it helps to like not eat out a lot. But this, a lot of times, like I'll buy a coffee at QT, or if I'm going out for lunch or dinner with somebody, or when I have Aria, if we go out for dinner, then that goes towards that. Also, speaking of my weight loss, like I know that's not the point of this channel, but I love talking to y'all about my life, I guess, because I don't really have people like that to talk to. So, but a little non-scale victory is this ring that I'm wearing right now was my mom's. She had like tiny fingers, and I only was ever able to wear this on my pinky finger, but now it fits on my ring finger, and it's not an engagement ring or anything. It's just my mom's ring. So anyways, that was really fun when I put it on my pinky the other day, and I was like, oh, that's actually falling off. Let me try it on this one, and it fits. And that was very exciting. So anyways, moving on. Gas is going to get 25. So let's do that right there. And then Aria is going to get $5 this week. Like I said, I don't have her this weekend, so $5 should be enough, and it's a way for me to kind of cut back on all the cash stuffing for this week. Okay, so that is what I will be putting in my wallet once I get back to work on Monday. And next we are doing debt in my high priority binder. My goal for this year, guys, if you're new to this channel, is to save to pay off like half of my car. So I'm adding 50 this week. It's a little less than my goal. My goal is 125 each week, but I'm doing what I can. So we have 50, 100, 2, 4, 6, 5. So 165 in debt. And then I have a lot of challenges in my debt binder that will go towards debt at the end of the month. So hopefully at the end of the month, we'll have roughly $500 to put towards debt. Okay, I don't know how I skipped cell phone, but I use Mint Mobile, so I was doing the 3-month plan, but it is cheaper to do a yearly plan and even like a 6-month plan. So I'm moving towards the 6-month plan, and then I will start saving up for doing a yearly plan, and that way it'll be cheaper overall. But so far I have 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. And I think the 6-month plan, oops, that's the wrong folder. I think the 6-month plan is like 120 or 130, something like that. So I'm getting close, but that is due in February, so it's getting close to being due. Okay, hair. I'm skipping hair this week because I just felt like I didn't have the money to go into it, and I've saved, I think, like $100 or so for my next appointment. Insurance for my car is going to be getting 50 to 10, 20, 30, 40, $45.50. Okay, so we should have a decent amount in here. I need to like condense this and put some in the bank so that I don't have as much money sitting in here, but so far we have 51, 150, 70, 90, 210, 30, 50, 70, 90, 300, 310, 20, 30, 35, 40, 340. Is that right? And this is due in April, and I need like $1,000 in here. So the way I do this is like I figure out what date my bill is due, figure out how many weeks I have left, and then how much money I need to put towards it each week to meet that deadline. But because I just started cash stuffing like in the fall, I feel like I'm kind of playing a catch-up game. So a lot of these things are coming up like soon. Like you can see, I was gonna try to save something for Valentine's Day, but I scratched that out because it's not as important as like my phone plan or my car insurance. I was gonna try to save money for taxes and Christmas and spring break and stuff like that. So it's really a game of like prioritizing right now until I can kind of get ahead of the curb, and I hope that it gets easier. If you've been doing this for a while, leave some encouraging comments for me telling me, yes, it gets easier. Because right now it feels like I was just racking my brain trying to figure out how to make it work. But that is the cash stuffing for this video. These are going towards my minis and stuff. The other thing that was challenging this week is that the bank was closed. And so I had to just get all 20s and then kind of cash condense and get some ones from like challenges and stuff. So I wasn't sure exactly if this would all work out, but it did. So anyways, I know that was a little chaotic of a video, and I hope that I didn't come off as like complaining. I'm really not trying to complain. I'm grateful for what I have, and I'm grateful for my job and my daughter, and you know, we're doing all right. So but anyways, I hope y'all have a good, I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead. I hope y'all have a good rest of your day. I hope y'all stay safe out there, and I don't know, thank you all to everyone who has watched. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed recently. I'm so thankful for all of you and for this amazing community that I get to be a part of. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.